Good job, you guys. A little juggling at mile 23. Way to go, man. 4 balls. I can't get over it. Wow. You're a rock star. It's the finish. Almost there. What is a Seattle Marathon without rain? Oh my gosh. It's a little wet. Just a little wet. Just a little bit. Dude, it's wet, but it feels good, right? Keeps you cool. You're almost there, man.
I don't know, but
Keep it up. You gotta love the rain in Seattle. You've gotta love it. Good job. Look at those smiles. Oh my gosh. You two are amazing. It's the final stretch. The rain keeps you cool.